today we'll be looking at computer fundamentals. At the end of this lesson, you will accurately define what is a computer. You will also list the functions of a computer, the types of computers, and the components of a computer. Can anybody tell me what is a computer? Anyone? Yes, John. A computer is an electronic device that processes data following a set of instructions to produce information. That simply means when we input data into a computer, the computer takes that instruction and outputs information. Here is a list of functions of a computer system. The computer inputs information. It also processes information and outputs that information. When the computer, before it outputs that information, it could store it or vice versa. It could output it first, then store, or it could store, then output that information. Now, we have the types of computer. The major types of computer systems listed here are the supercomputers, mainframe computers, microcomputers, and mini computers. This is a picture of a supercomputer. You see how large it is? Then we have a picture of the microcomputer. Here are some mini computers. We have the desktop computer, the laptop computer, netbook computer, hybrid computer, tablets, and even smartphones are considered as mini computers. These are the components of a central processing unit. So when we input our information into the computer, it goes to the control unit. The control unit sends out instructions to the arithmetic and logic unit. The arithmetic and logic unit execute the data, then send it to main memory or primary memory, right? The primary memory saves that data temporarily. If you shut off your computer, the data will not be saved, right? After it's sent to the primary memory, it is sent to the secondary memory or secondary storage. It could output it first or it could save it to the secondary storage. It could do both, vice versa. Excellent? Now we will take a look at a video with the different types of computer systems. Now students, we will look at an animated video showing the different types of computers.
Flico, our teacher said that there are different types of computers. Some are very big and some are small. Is it true?
Yes, Reddy. There are different types of computers classified on the basis of their functions and operational principles. They can be digital, analog, or both.
Tell me more about these computers.
Okay, let us first discuss about digital computers. Digital computers use binary number system 0 and 1 to carry out arithmetic and logical operations. These computers are mostly used in offices and science laboratories. Let us now learn what an analog computer is. Computers which solve problems by translating physical quantities into mechanical or electrical related circuits are called analog computers. Analog computers are used to process continuous data. Analog computers are used in the field of engineering and medical science as they are speedy and produce fast results. Hybrid computers. Computers which have the features of both digital as well as analog computers are called hybrid computers. These computers are mainly used in hospitals.
For what purpose are they used in hospitals?
With the help of the analog features in the computer, the patient's heartbeat and blood pressure is checked. Its digital features are used to observe the vital signs. Hybrid computers are also used in weather departments to forecast weather.
What type of computer is my desktop computer?
It is a microcomputer and so is a digital computer. Now, on the basis of speed, size and memory, computers are divided into 4 types. They are microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. Let us now learn about each of them. Microcomputers are the smallest digital computers. They are also known as personal computers. Microcomputers have chips inside them called microprocessors. These computers are widely used in schools, homes, offices, shops and hotels. Apple Mac, IBM PC are some of the microcomputers. Mini-computers are bigger in size than microcomputers. These computers have now almost gone out of use. Mini-computer of the world was PDP-8. The most successful mini-computer was DEC PDP-11. Mainframe computers are big computers with large memory and high speed. They can be used by several hundred users at the same time. Mainframe computers are mostly used by big organizations like airline booking system, advertising, centralized payroll system and banks. IBM 390 and PDP-10 are examples of mainframe computers. Supercomputers are the largest, fastest and the most powerful computers. Supercomputers are also the latest of all computers. Supercomputers are used mainly for defense, space research, fluid dynamics, or in nuclear energy research. Some examples of supercomputers are Param, Anurag, and Cray. IBM's latest supercomputer is Blue Gene Q or Mira. So now I hope you know about the different types of computers.
Now students, this is a picture of a desktop computer. You see the different parts. You have the keyboard, the desktop, the monitor, the speakers, even the printer and the mouse. We also have the headphones, but it's not really an essential part of the desktop system, right? But it could be used to listen to audio, right? Did we understand everything that was taught in this lesson? Was the video interesting? What did you learn, Timika? Yes. So you learned about the different types of computers. You also learned about the functions of computers and even how the supercomputers is larger than the mainframes and so forth, right? So let's recap today's lesson. We look at what is a computer system. And we know a computer system is an electronic device that processes data following a set of instructions to give us information. We also know there are 4 types of computers. We have the mainframe, the supercomputers, the mini computers, and the microcomputers. Right? We know they have different functions also. It inputs information, data, process that data to give out information, which is the output. It could also store the information temporarily, which is in the primary memory, or permanently in secondary storage, which could be external or internal storage. We also learned that we also saw a diagram with the different components of a computer, which has the input, output, control unit, arithmetic unit, primary memory, and secondary memory. With no questions, that is the end of today's